Where's the scene, viewers? This is Rampy Son here, coming all the way from Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah! Alright. This is my first pack opening video. And yeah! Let's see what piss and shit EA has to give me. I don't know about you, but I don't know. For me, I always seem to get some kind of crap from EA. In the near future, I hope, I pray, I really do hope I get some good cards. You see this kind of shit? Damn. And a bunch of duplicates. Wow. Anywho's, yes, let's see. Pazzini. 2 Milan players. None of them rare. What can I do? Oh, trolled by E. Once again. A black card, yes. But he's shit. 78 overall. No, 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 no. I don't want that shit. I want good shit. Not that bad shit. Crap. You know, I want the white shit. You know, the legends. And if I have to get the black shit, I want the Robin. Inform Robin. Or the gear. Yeah. I'll be posting up more videos soon. Road to Division 1, maybe Caribbean flavor. More pack openings, hopefully, when I get money, because FIFA points are really expensive here. And yeah, oh, Codeine. Codeine? Codeine. No. No, I don't want Atletico Madrid players. I want higher rated players. Give me the Real Madrid players like Ronaldo. Come on. EA, what can I say about them? Good business. Good business. Making money off of all of our FIFA addicts. Sorry, all of us FIFA addicts. Yeah. Well, I hope in the near future, you know, post more videos. Please subscribe and like the video for more content. And yeah. And look at this shit. Look at this shit EA keeps giving. Wow. Just wow. Come on, bald-headed Tim Howard with your big beard. Valbuena. Woo. Duplicate. And coins. Yeah. Coins was nice. Coins was nice. Alright. Yes. Alright, viewers. This is my first pack opening video. My first FIFA video actually for YouTube. Please don't bash me much. I will appreciate the honest criticism. I'll try my very best to improve my videos in the near future. And yes, have a good day. Please subscribe and like. Thank you very much. Peace.